very far from here, some 2,000 miles away. That's where they live and work and play.
Being a Smurf feels good, so that's why we sing all day. We're doing things the Smurfy way.
But there's danger there, lurking everywhere, 'cause Gargamel will catch you if he can.
Oh, I hate Smurfs.
That is true.
I'll get you. I'll get all of you if it's the last thing I ever do.
No one would ever find the road to our hideaway. We live there happily and gay. Being a Smurf feels good, and that's why we sing all day, doing things the Smurfy way.
Oh, yes, Azriel. I'm going to give those Smurfs something they've always needed. A nice deadly disease. It's called hopping cough. This illness will make the Smurfs cough and hop about uncontrollably, like the bunch of little blue frogs they are. Coughing and hopping Smurfs will be so easy to locate and capture, Azriel. And now for the final ingredients. 2 rabbit hairs, a jumping bean, and 3 ounces of hops. Oh, Azriel, isn't it charming that the disease which will destroy those stinking little pests will descend upon them on a wafted morning breeze? By sundown, every Smurf in the forest will be hopping right into my clutches.
Whee! Come on, dear friends. Now it's your turn.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Oh, look! Baby Smurf wants to play Smurf Frog, too.
Yes, it won't be long before Baby can jump with the best of us.
Oh, dear. Something's wrong with Baby.
Gee, maybe the little Smurfling is catching cold.
That's not like any cold I've ever seen. Oh, poor Baby. We better take you to Papa Smurf right away. Leaping lizards.
I've never seen anything like it. Baby, come back!
Oh, Baby. Hurry, Annie, hurry.
La 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 lu 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 lu.
Oh, some Smurf catch Baby.
Oh, Peter, look!
Sacre bleu green! Voila! I have catched the elusive baby. Vichyssoise! The baby has escaped!
I got the little squeezer. Ha! Gotcha!
Oh, I hope Baby's going to be all right.
Don't worry, Vanity. Papa Smurf will find a cure.
It is obvious to the trained ear that Baby has either a mild case of Frogosleepovia or a touch of bounce-itis.
I don't think so, Brainy.
Neither do I, Papa Smurf. I was merely trying to alleviate every Smurf's fears.
Baby Smurf has a very, very serious illness.
What is it, Papa Smurf?
A rare and deadly disease known as the hopping cough.
The hopping cough? Oh, no! What can we do?
We need 3 things to cure Baby.
What are they, Papa Smurf?
First, we need penicillium mold from the mold mines.
Sure, and I'll do that, Papa Smurf.
Good, Miner Smurf. Now, Handy, you must gather a vial of steam from Demon Springs.
Good as done, Papa Smurf.
The most important part of the cure is the tail feather of a hopping crane. Hefty, I want...
We're on our way, Papa Smurf. Where do we find one?
On Bad Mountain.
Bad Mountain?
This old map shows the way.
Being a map reader extraordinaire, I, Brainy Smurf, will guide Hefty's mountain climbing party.
Very well, Brainy. I must stay here and try to keep the disease from spreading. We must have it cured before sundown, or we'll all have the hopping cough.
coughing yet, Azriel, but it won't be long.
Good luck, my little Smurfs, and be careful.
We will, Papa Smurf.
No Smurf has ever climbed Bad Mountain.
Don't worry, Hefty. We can't possibly fail. With me, Brainy Smurf, guiding the expedition.
And I was worried.
La 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 la.
Clumsy!
Oh, hi, Brainy, Hefty, Nat.
What on earth are you doing here?
I want to help Baby, too.
Don't be ridiculous, Clumsy. Mountain climbers must be agile and sure-footed. You are clumsy.
Oh, gosh. You're right, Brainy.
Go back to the village this instant.
All right, Brainy.
Honestly, some Smurfs have no awareness of their limitations.
And no Smurf knows that better than you, Brainy. Let's get Smurfing.
Clumsy, clumsy, clumsy. How can we get the hopping crane feather if you keep delaying us? If Papa Smurf wanted you to go, he'd have sent you to the hot springs or the mold mines. Now, Clumsy, no need to cry about it.
Azriel! Get them, Azriel! Get them! Don't let them get away, you stupid furball!
Gosh, sounds like trouble.
We're trapped. What do we do?
Oh, here comes our guide. Let's ask him.
Help! Ow!
Got him.
Get that little blue yell!
Look, we've lost valuable time.
Have faith, Hefty. We'll make it.
They got away, Azriel. Oh, well, some Smurfs must have caught the hopping cough, or they wouldn't be on their way to Bad Mountain. Ouch! Well, let them get their feather. We can still stop the Smurfs at the mold mines.
Gosh, I hope they're all right. Huh? Oh, gosh, they lost the map. They'll never find the hopping crane now. Oh, I better take the map to Papa Smurf. But Brainy needs it. But Brainy would be mad if I followed them. But Papa Smurf will be mad if...
Poor baby is getting weaker and weaker, Poet. We must have that cure.
Alas, the child was better off before it caught the hopping.
Oh, my.
There it is. Bad Mountain.
I told you I'd find it.
Finding Bad Mountain is one thing. Climbing it is something else.
Don't worry, Hefty. Mountains are our friends.
Sure doesn't look friendly to me.
Demon Springs sure is a strange place.
Oh, let's get our steam and get out of here.
I hate here. There they be, the mold mines. Light your candles. I just love grubbing about underground.
More Smurf tracks, Azriel. They're inside, trapped.
Papa Smurf said to look for Cradle Rock. That's where we start following the map.
Oh, gosh, I'll never be able to climb that mountain. But Brainy needs this map to find the hopping crane. I gotta try. Gee, guess I gotta try harder. C'est la vie. This will be my finest, as well as my final masterpiece.
Have heart, Pater. The expedition still have half a day to get the ingredients for the cure.
Oui, Papa Smurf, but, sacre bleu, I believe I am catching the hopping...
Amazing!
Here it is, Demon Springs. Let's get our steam and get back home.
I wonder why they call this place Demon Springs.
I don't want to know why they call it Demon Spring.
I hate Demon Springs.
Oh, dear!
We're surrounded.
Oh, Handy! If we don't get back to the village with this steam, baby Smurf may never get well.
Don't let him get away, Greedy. Grab him. Sacre bleu grain. Get him to bed immediately.
Here, Papa Smurf. I thought a little surprise might cheer you up.
Thank you, Jokey, but not now.
But,
Cradle Rock. It's just like Papa Smurf said.
Time for your guide to read Papa Smurf's map. Take it out of my backpack, will you, Hefty?
Brainy, the map is gone.
I must have lost it on the trail.
how can we find the hopping crane's nest?
Oh, you really did it this time.
Have no fear, my fellow Smurfs. I, Brainy Smurf, will follow Papa Smurf's map from memory. First, we go 3 steps forward, then 2 steps to the left, and then down! Brainy!
Hang on, Nat.
Hiya, Brady. You lost your map.
It's so dark in here, I can barely see myself.
Benedict, you should be worrying about baby and not how you look. There can't be much further. There in Bigora. There it is.
Ugh, it looks disgusting.
Papa Smurf said this mold can be used to cure just about everything. I just hope it cures the hopping cough.
Trying to cure the hopping cough, are they? Well, I can't let that happen. Once I drop this boulder on them, they'll find their plans have gone a little flat.
Yuck!
Benedict, this mold is very important for making the hopping cough cure.
I still think it's disgusting. Ah, much better.
Here it goes, Azriel.
Whoa, look out!
It's rolling, it's rolling, it's rolling! Yeah!
In all my days, I never heard a cave-in scream. Only a few hours to sundown, we'd best be hurrying.
That's the cliff, and there's the hopping crane.
We'll have to climb above it and lower some Smurf down into the nest.
I've been lowered quite enough for one day, thank you.
Gosh, Hefty, I'll do it.
Gee, I'm sorry, Clumsy, but Nat's the Smurf for this job.
True, true. Remember, Papa Smurf did say that Nat Smurf is the only one who can persuade the crane to give us one of its tail feathers.
The Smurfs in the mold mines were just lucky, Azriel, but there's still time to stop the others. Well. It looks like we won't have to do anything but stand here and watch. Oh, Azriel, this promises to be wonderful entertainment. Yeah! Whoa! Ouch, 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 ouch.
Those steam demons are horrible creatures. Steam demons aren't so horrible after all.
Let's get smurfing. We can still get home before sundown. Baby, come back here. Catch all those who have the hopping cough and get them into my house.
Yes,
Papa Smurf! Papa Smurf, we have it! Baby Smurf, come back here! Sure, and I got baby Papa Smurf. Oh, good work, Miner. And the penicillium mold? We have it, Papa Smurf! Oh, good. Oh, let's hope the others return in time.
Our feathered friend is still there.
good. Brainy and I will lower you down.
Ready when you are.
Gee, Hefty, what can I do?
Here, Clumsy. You can tie this rope around Nat.
Oh, sure, Hefty.
Clumsy!
Oh, poor Clumsy. If only I treated him better when he was alive. If only I hadn't constantly and repeatedly called him a bumbling inept.
He's okay!
He's okay?
Hi, little birdie.
Ah, Clumsy Smurf. You get up here this instant, you bumbling inept. Oh, no!
Oh, gosh, I'm flying.
Hey, let go of him!
Oh, golly, no, don't do that.
Bring him back, please. Oh, poor Clumsy. Now we'll never save the village from the hopping cough. What else could possibly go? Oh, no.
Golly, that was close. I thought I was a goner.
Oh dear, it looks like every Smurf in the village has the hopping cough. I hate the hopping cough. I hate. Grouchy, are you all right? I hate tweet.
Come on, Smurfette. Maybe we're not too late.
Papa Smurf! Papa Smurf!
Oh, Papa Smurf, is it too late?
Well, Smurfette, without the feather from a hopping crane, this medicine won't work.
Oh dear. Oh, boo-hoo. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear.
She's caught in the wind. Amazing.
Smurfette, come back!
Oh, my Smurfs! I'm blowing away! Oh, dear! Oh, dear me!
Cora, she's gone. Let's hope the wind changes. What should we do, Papa Smurf? Follow me.
There's only one way out of here. Gosh, I hope I don't. Gee, I wish I had something to eat. Mountain berries. Gee, this must be my lucky day. Oh, these berries look good. Wow! Oh, gee, it's that birdie. Gosh, you're in trouble, little birdie. Well, don't you worry, I'll get you out. Nice kitty cat. Gosh, here we go again.
Oh, what a terrible day. Maybe I'll dream of a way to catch every Smurf once and for all.
Oh, dear! Oh, dear!
Huh? Azrael, did you hear that? A floating Smurfette? Or am I just dreaming?
Oh, my! I'm floating toward Gargamel!
I'm not dreaming. She's flying right into my clutches. Today may turn out just fine after all.
Oh, my! How will I ever get down from here?
This way, you rotten Smurf.
Gargamel!
That's right, and you'll be my catch of the day. You brats! Come back here, you rotten Smurf!
Oh, I'm heading back toward the village.
Oh, dear. Making slime is not one of my favorite jobs, but somebody's got to do it. I'll make enough this season so I won't have to do it again next year.
I'll get you if it's the last thing I ever do!
Now all I have to do is deliver this awful stuff. Oh, my. You are potent. Goodbye and good riddance.
in the world did I get here?
Here she comes again, my little Smurfs. Hold still, every Smurf. Gotcha. Hefty's back. Hefty's back. Ah, Hefty, we almost gave up hope. Yeah, we got the mold and steam already, so all we be needing is,
Sorry, Papa Smurf. We failed.
Not only did we not get the feather, but we also lost Clumsy.
Clumsy? Oh, I've been so busy I didn't even know he was gone. What happened?
We lost your map. Clumsy found it, and the brave little guy followed us.
But he fell into the hopping crane's nest and it flew away with him.
Oh, Papa Smurf, we'll never see poor Clumsy.
Hi, Brady. Here's a feather, Papa Smurf.
Yay!
You made the right decision to take them the map, Clumsy. But how on earth did you get the hopping crane to bring you home? We got a lot in common, Papa Smurf. Amazing. Well, the hopping cough medicine is complete. What do we do, drink it? Well, not exactly. Well, all the Smurfs with hopping cough are cured. Ouch!
And the cure will keep the rest of us from catching it, too.
Ouch!
We're all real proud of you, Clumsy. If you hadn't convinced that hopping crane to bring us one of its tail feathers, well,
Ouch!